So in part 7 out of 11, we are going to be solving problems that involve linear and quadratic inequalities in two variables. And it's the two variable part that's going to be new. We have dealt with inequalities like this, and then graph them on the number line saying, okay, if x is greater than 0, at that 0 mark we have an open circle, and then we fill in the rest greater than it. But what happens if we have an equality more like x squared minus 3x plus 2 is greater than 0? So when is that true? This is a quadratic inequality in one variable. If we were to graph it, it has roots at 1 and 2. So the inequality would be x greater than 2 and or less than 1. So we'd have two sections. But what if we have y greater than x squared minus 3x plus 2? Well, we're still going to have our x squared minus 3x plus 2 curve. But now if y is greater than this y, if we follow up to the curve, is less than the line. This y, if we look at the curve at that x, is greater than the line. So this is going to be an inequality in here. And we have to look at this sign. If it's strictly greater than or less than, this needs to be a broken line. So we'd actually be graphing our parabola like this for greater than and less than, or as the solid line if it's greater than or equal to, less than or equal to. So these are the ideas we need to look for. If it is less than, then obviously be highlighting a section under the curve. So if our solution was to be less than or equal to this curve, we'd have that solid line and highlight beneath. So this is the basic concept behind this graph. And that is what we're going to be dealing with in topic 7 of relations and functions.